Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cotton candy at home without any special machine. First, we will gather a few simple ingredients you likely already have in your pantry. Then, I'll show you how to prepare your workspace for success. Next, we'll dive into the precise cooking method for creating those perfect, delicate sugar strands. Finally, you'll learn the easy technique to collect and enjoy your very own homemade fluffy treat. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need just a few basic items. Grab 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. For your workspace, lay down a large sheet of parchment paper on a clean, flat surface. This will be where your cotton candy strands land. Also, make sure you have a sturdy whisk or a fork ready. This will be your spinning tool. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now for the most crucial step, cooking the sugar syrup. Combine your sugar, water, and corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until the sugar dissolves. Once it starts boiling, stop stirring completely. Use a candy thermometer to carefully monitor the temperature. You need to reach exactly 320 degrees Fahrenheit. As soon as it hits this precise temperature, remove the pan from the heat immediately to prevent burning. With your hot sugar syrup ready, it's time for the magic. Dip the tines of your whisk or fork into the syrup, letting any excess drip back into the pan. Then, quickly wave your whisk back and forth over the prepared parchment paper. You'll see fine, hair-like sugar strands begin to form and collect. Continue this motion, gathering the delicate threads into fluffy, airy clouds. Gently roll them onto a stick or simply enjoy your fresh, homemade cotton candy right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.